Sometimes when you live out in the woods, you gotta do what you gotta do to survive up here out in the woods. And right now it's lunchtime. I have me some lunch here. And what I do is I save a lot of money by doing things better ways. And I'm saving a lot of money right now because I'm gonna use my car engine to heat up my lunch. We'll see if this sucker fires up. Tell you what. Oh, says the wait to start it. How long you gotta wait? All day? I don't got all day. Making some awful noises. That's how you know the grill's getting ready to get heated up right there. Got smoke coming out, so good indications of that. Oh, we'll give it another shot here. You just never know, it might start. Something sounds very weak. Around, eat cakes and breads. I like starting my starter. Starting up my starter is my favorite part of the day. You just gotta get that sucker cooking. Fire up that cooker. I usually wait till it's about good 300 degrees before I throw my lunch on there. Let me tell you, it's cooking when you got smoke. It'll cook that meat if you got smoke, steam. Oh yeah, pretty hot now. Got this homemade meat. Just put that sucker right there in the cooker. Water right there. You might want to wear earmuffs when you're cooking. Turn up the gas, get her cooking a little quicker. Gotta get this sucker up to 600 degrees, make sure it's cooking real good. Give it some of that stuff. Oh, we almost made it. Did you get it there? Degrees, bam. That'll be good. Take it off the oven there. Yeah, go ahead and eat that sucker. Good place to eat it up here. Nice and warm. What a tasty treat, I'm gonna tell ya. Eat fresh. Automatic hot dog cooker on here. Attachment on here. Same with the vehicle. Not all vehicles have this. You just put that hot dog right there. Let me tell you what. Oh, you can do it like that too. That's fine. Here's hit the up button right there. Cooks it automatically. Ah, perfect. Reckon that worked pretty good right there. But you want to know how to make it? It's just a ski pole, bungee cord, chunk of metal, piece of wood, and a C-clamp on there. Otherwise, I'm sure you can get it from the dealer somehow. Comes with them new 2024 models.